Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to give you 4 tips on how you can get your home ready to sell fast. Make sure you like, share, and hit the subscribe bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. I'd love for you to stay until the end where you can download my selling listing guide. My name is Rupa and I'm your community realtor. Serve the amazing people of Toronto, especially Mississauga. There's nothing like the present time to put your home on the market, mostly due to lack of inventory. Today I'm going to give you 4 tips on how you can get your homes ready to sell. Think of what's happening in today's market. Everyone starts their home search in the comfort of their home. When potential buyers take a look at the pictures online, they instantly decide, do they want to see the property or do they want to pass it by? You can have 2 homes in the same neighborhood with similar layout. One property is laid out like an eye candy for the buyer. The other property has so much stuff that the pictures make the room look small. Which one would you want to see? Honestly, if it's presentable, buyers will want to see the property in person. Just cluttered, it could cost the sellers a lot of money. They probably won't get as much as the nicely displayed property, regardless of the fact that both properties are very similar. So which one is your property? So if you're thinking about listing your home in the next couple of months, take advantage of the tips in this video. Chances are you probably have a list a mile long that you want to get done in order to increase the value of your home, but you just don't have the time. Take a look at these tips that are simple but crucial that will make your home ready to sell to the potential buyer. My tip number 1, first impression is a lasting impression. Just like reading a book from cover to cover is exactly how the buyer will be coming through your property and will be taking a look at your home from the front of the home to the inside to the backyard. Every nook and cranny should be looked after and organized. Every furniture should be put away in the garage or unfinished basement. Personal items like family pictures, degrees, and religious pictures should be put away. Everything should be neutral so that the buyer can connect themselves in the space that they're walking through. Trust me on this one. And tip number 2, the fresh appeal. If your home looks lived in with chips, scratches on the wall, then it's time to do some change. In order to get a fresh look, a paint is definitely needed. If you have leftover paint, make sure that you paint the baseboards to match the touch-ups. If you have to repaint, then keep the colors neutral. Neutral paint can make a room look bigger and brighter. Paint can give that fresh, renovated look that the buyer will want to just get your property and put an offer. My tip number 3, organizing of the closet. Closet space can be a huge selling point. Guess what's going to happen when potential buyers walk through your property? They're going to open up every closet, every cabinet, every drawer. Why? Because they want to connect, they want to see their space in your space. But if it's overflowing with stuff, it'll make the space look smaller. So you'll want to clean out the closet and organize. Because let's face it, this could be a huge turnoff for a potential buyer when all they're looking for is plenty of storage space. And tip number 4, make sure your house smells fresh and clean. There's nothing that can scare away a potential buyer quite like a smelly house. As I've said, everything should be neutral, and that goes for the ambiance of your home. Simple fragrances can make a home look more inviting. Scents like lavender or lemon goes a long way. This way you are making your home look more welcome to a potential buyer. So if you're seriously thinking about making a move, these tips can make your home sell faster at a higher price point. Now for my free download, see the link below where you can get my seller's guide. If you found value in this video and would love to see more future content, make sure you like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you want to reach out to me, see the text below. For me, you'll get no pressure, no sales tactics, just the help and the guidance that you need. See you in my next video.